how to use the Google One application for cloud backup, or how you can use simply the Google One, that is a branch of Google Drive where you can simply manage all of your storage at one place. This is why it's called Google One. How you can simply manage it, or how you can manage your cloud storage on the same application. For this, open the Google One and make sure that you're logged in with your email account. That I will sign in with my mail email address here on my mobile device. Now it's loading, wait for a few seconds. And then this is my home page. All of you can see home, storage, and then benefits. Now how I can turn on the backup from here: click on your profile on the right top of screen, or click on the left top here, membership plan, setting, and help. Click on setting. From this you can go on the backup setting, like manage backup setting here. In the backup you will see an option to simply backup your device, other device data in your Google One. By clicking on confirm, you will be allowing Google One to access all the data of yours, and you will have to see it on your device in the Google One. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video.